Hello, in front of me I've got Porsche Panamera. In this video I'll show you how to use sunroof. In the beginning, take a look at the roof of the car. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can manage sunroof. Firstly, thanks to this knob we can close and open rear sunroof curtain. Thanks to this we can close and open front sunroof curtain. Next, we've got this button, thanks to which we can open and close sunroof. Simply pull it to open the sunroof and push it to close it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.